Finewatchcare Watch Protection Film Installation Guide. Find a clean table and ensure the environment is tidy and dust-free. Open the protection film kit and take out the following items for standby. Warranty card, protection film, positioning stick, tweezer, film application solution, lint-free cloth, cotton swabs, alcoholic cotton pads, gloves. Find the brown film application solution bottle, and if it's not full, fill it with 20 ml of distilled water and gently shake until well mixed, preparing for film application. Put on gloves to prevent oils and dust from your hands from affecting the film application. Take out the alcoholic cotton pads from the cleaning kit and wipe the entire watch to remove surface oils and dust. Then use the lint-free cloth to wipe off the alcohol, avoiding contact between the alcohol and the film, which could affect the film's adhesion. Bracelet section. Start with the middle of the bracelet. Remove the protective film's top protective release film. Evenly spray the film application solution onto the release film. Use tweezer with film application solution to gradually peel off the protective film from its backing. Apply a suitable amount of solution from the release film. Align the film with the corresponding position on the bracelet and check the edges. Gently press in one direction with a lint-free cotton swab to expel moisture. If the position is off after application, gently lift the film and realign it. If the film has fully adhered, remove it and replace with a new one to avoid dust contamination and affect adhesion. For the left and right sides of the bracelet, once you are proficient, you can use the dry application method. Use dry tweeze to pick up the film from the edge and apply it to the corresponding position on the watch. Then press in one direction with a lint-free cotton swab until fully adhered. After becoming proficient, you can continue to the next section immediately after finishing one, and finally, use a lint-free cotton swab to press and expel moisture from all areas. Bracelet sides. Use the dry application method. Pick up the film with tweezer, apply it to the corresponding position, and then press with a lint-free cotton swab in one direction to adhere. Clasp section. Repeat the wet application steps for the bracelet sides. Use tweezer with film application solution. Pick up the film, apply, and press. Watch head section. Start with a large side. Use the wet application method. Use tweezer with film application solution to peel off the protective film from its backing. Align the film with the corresponding position and press with a lint-free cotton swab in one direction. Small sides. Bezel. Repeat the above wet application steps. Be careful when picking up the bezel to avoid deformation. Align the position before pressing to expel moisture if deformed. Reposition the film in the film application solution to adjust its shape. Glass. The same wet application steps. Be careful not to pull the film when picking it up. Align the position before pressing to expel moisture. Case back. Repeat the wet application steps as for the bezel and glass. Crown and lugs. For large curvature areas, use the dry application method as much as possible. Use dry tweezer to pick up the film from the edge and apply it to the corresponding position on the watch. Then press in one direction with a lint-free cotton swab until fully adhered. Inspection and optimization. After application, use the positioning stick to press the edge of the entire watch, making the film more adhered. Check for any visible dust or hair after application. Let the film stand still for 24 hours before wearing. If there is moisture trapped under the film, it will automatically disappear within 1 to 3 days. Avoid contact with water for the next 5 days. You can also use a hairdryer at home to speed up evaporation. Note that curved glass surfaces are not suitable for hairdryer use. Tighten the crown before blowing. Use low-temperature hot air to blow the area with bubbles for 2 to 3 minutes. Gently press the edges of the bubbles with a cotton swab, pushing from the inside out. The watch film application is now complete. Thank you for watching. Warm reminder, the film adheres closely to the watch, protecting the surface from stains and scratches. To prevent discoloration, clean regularly. Gently brush the surface with neutral detergent and a soft brush once a month to remove dirt and maintain its luster. Note: keep the crown closed during rinsing and avoid using hot water. Finewatchcare offers a 1-year warranty. If the film peels or lifts, it can be replaced for free.